What in the curry goat in a tin is going on here? And manish water? No man, I have to try this. Come with me. So I am back with my manish water in a can from Island Taste and the curry goat in a can from Island Taste. Alright, so I'm gonna put them in the microwave and come back. Pack said, wow, look at that. Enough coming out so. So this is an 8-ounce cup. It's almost at the brim, so I'm gonna microwave it and come back. I'm back with my manish water. So I divided it into 2 so that it never spill over in the microwave. Guys, this smell like any dead yard. This smell like any setup. This is it, guys. This is it. Look on the goat meat where you get carrot, Irish, all skilly, and look there. Look at the meat. Guys, may I tell you, this is the real deal. Tastes really good. And them don't pay me. Why this tastes like a me cook? This tastes really good. I can't, no, somebody else have to come taste it. It tastes like... It's like real soup. Yeah, I like it. Yeah.